You are running macOS or Linux but you need to test something on Windows 10? No worries. I will show you how you can use a developer edition of Windows 10 for 90 days. Let's give it a start. First, we need to go to the Microsoft developer website. I recommend to use a search engine with the keywords Microsoft Developer Virtual Machines and follow the first target. Now you can choose the image independence of your VM infrastructure. In my case it is VirtualBox from Oracle. The package is roughly 7 GB, so please give it a moment to download. The downloaded zip file must be extracted. The file inside can be opened via right-click and then open with VirtualBox. Afterwards, you can import the VM container with the recommended parameters. The login credentials for your virtual machine is given on the page here. It is password. Unfortunately, the virtual machine comes without the VirtualBox extensions, therefore I installed them. After the installation, the wizard prompts you to reboot your machine. Recheck this and shut down the machine manually. After the virtual machine is down, go to its setting and adjust the graphic settings, the value from 8 MB to 64 MB, and afterwards start your virtual machine again. So, there we have it. Now you can use this Windows 10 installation for 90 days for free and legal. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to push the thumbs up button and also please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and see you soon. Cheers!